LastPass is a widely used password management service that helps users organize and protect their online credentials. It serves as a digital vault, securely storing passwords, usernames, and other sensitive information. The primary goal of LastPass is to simplify the process of managing multiple passwords across various websites and applications. Now let's talk about key features. 1. Password generation. LastPass can generate strong, unique passwords for each of your accounts, reducing the risk associated with using weak or repeated passwords. 2. Cross-platform. Accessibility. LastPass provides a seamless experience across multiple devices and platforms. It has browser extensions for popular web browsers, a standalone application for desktop use, and mobile apps for smartphones and tablets. 3. Secure storage. All stored data in LastPass is encrypted, ensuring that even if the service were compromised, your sensitive information would remain secure. LastPass uses zero-knowledge security, meaning only the user has access to their decrypted data. 4. Autofill and auto-login. LastPass can automatically fill in login credentials for websites, streamlining the login process. It also offers an auto-login feature, allowing users to log in to websites with a single click. 5. Digital wallet. Beyond passwords, LastPass can securely store other sensitive information, such as credit card details, addresses, and secure notes. This makes it a comprehensive solution for managing various types of confidential data. 6. Password auditing. LastPass can analyze your existing passwords, identifying weak or duplicate ones. It prompts users to update passwords that may pose security risks. 7. Two-factor authentication. LastPass supports two-factor authentication for an additional layer of security. This typically involves a secondary verification method, such as a code sent to a mobile device. 8. Password sharing. LastPass allows users to securely share passwords and login information with trusted individuals without revealing the actual password. Overall, LastPass is designed to enhance both the security and convenience of managing passwords in an increasingly digital and interconnected world. Users can enjoy the benefits of robust security measures while simplifying the often challenging task of remembering and organizing multiple passwords.